Hey there folks, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a good 8 months since I've posted anything on here. Haven't really been able to make any Prius living content. The reason being is that I've actually been living like a normal person. I'm living in a house now. It even has one of those fancy toilets and showers that everybody's been telling me about. Pretty nice. I'm gonna give you guys the tour. Working on this chicken coop right here. We've got 5 little pullets in there. Should be getting eggs from them in 4 or 5 months. Got some Swiss chard and spinach growing there. It's not looking great because it's getting super warm here now. It's like 95 today. Got some strawberries going over here. Ooh, I'm gonna eat that one. Yum. Some random stuff growing on the spindle there. Started some sweet potatoes here. Got a couple slips in there so far. More to come. Got this little apple tree in this pot here. Getting pretty big. What else? Bunch of zucchini in there. Peppers over there. Oh, almost forgot the fig tree. Got a couple little figs growing. Ooh, giant grasshopper. What else? Got a peach tree in this pot, dwarf peach. A bunch of basil in here, a couple little tomato plants. This, I think, is cantaloupe. Oh wow, there's a flower. Nice, there's a few flowers. Those are brand new. That is exciting. Some more zucchini and random other squash. Ooh, that's a big one. These leaves are a little droopy. I think they need some water. Bunch of potatoes over here. These are looking good. These are several pomegranates that I started from seed. Getting pretty big. Excited about those. What else? Got a little bit of arugula in there, and then some other stuff that hasn't sprouted yet. These are black-eyed peas that are just starting to sprout. This is some kind of like cucumber or melon. It's a native species. And yeah, it's just starting to sprout too. Asparagus. And then a ton of tomatoes. And it's a wreck back here. Sorry about that. In the middle of a couple different projects out here. But yeah, I got a ton of tomatoes going. Haven't really harvested any yet. They're not quite there. They're all still pretty green, but they're getting there. But yeah, in like a week or so, I should have a ton of tomatoes. Bunch of big ones on this guy. And then we've got a cushaw squash growing over here. It's looking good. Yeah, so that's the tour. And thinking about turning this channel into yet another homesteading channel or backyard gardening channel, something like that. Let me know what you think. Hope my subscribers stick around. And yeah, see you around.